Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this Hoover Cleanjet Evo, the model CJ930T. Let's see some of the specs. We've got a deep carpet cleaning, stubborn sports and splits, removable 4-in-1 tool, stretch hose for a stir cleaning, powerful rotating brass bar. It is 900 watt, easy to remove dirty water tank, compact storage with an easy to carry handle, fold it and storage wherever is possible for you. Some accessories included on the box. We've got the detergent bottle, and at the back we've got this spiral hose. Use it for the stubborn spots and splits. Okay. At the front we've got the brass. It is detachable. Press this button and you can take it out, clean it, replace it. We've got the button for the water jet. It comes from here. And that you can connect it to the vacuum. You can see this is the hose where the water is coming inside, and you can press the button and inject the water. Okay. And you can connect it here. Press it and it will lock. And just press this button and unlock. Very easy installation. And again, we can close the cap. We've got the wheels, of course. More easy to take it with you wherever you want and clean. We've got the dirty water tank, the handle for the dirty water. Just pull this, it will come out, take it, clean it, and we've got the dirty water inside. Rotate this, empty the water from the container. We've got the rubber around, and you can lock it again. We've got the rubber around. From here is sucking the water, all the dirty water. You can see here we've got the tube is coming the water and then is sucking the water. Here we've got the filter. You can take it out and clean it. And here, of course, we've got some rubber. You can clean if you want, and this rubber, install it very well. Nice. And again, you can install very easy on the dirty water container. Lock it. Now, down on the base, we can see we've got the brass here. It is rotatable. And here inside, we've got the holes for the injection of the water. Great. That's all about. You can take this out, of course, and clean it and replace it. And here we've got the container for the clean water. This is the tank. Press this button, release it, and you can fill up with water from here. You can insert, you can see we've got a tube. You can insert the detergent here and the water, and you can tie it very well then, and install it back. Very easy, and locks. At the back we've got the power cord is about 8 meters. For the clean water we've got 4.5 liters capacity, and for the dirty water is 2.3 liters capacity. The weight of this Hoover, it is 7.1 kilos. And at the back, we've got the cleaner release pedal. Press this button and it will start the motor to work and turn the brass at the front. We've got the on-off pedal, and of course with the cleaner release pedal, just press it and you can see it will unfold and start cleaning. And here for the power cord, you can rotate this and take out the cable. Very easy, no problem. You don't have to unfold every time with your hand. And of course, you can unfold that by pressing this button, and you can store it wherever you want. And of course, you've got this handle. You can take it with you, carry on with you, wherever you want, and store it. And again, very easy, it locks. And of course we've got the on-off button for the water spray at the base. Now let's connect it. and find out how it's working. And again, take this out, fill up with water the tank detergent. You can see we've got the max capacity. We've got about 2 liters of water, and you need for each liter 40 ml. Well, okay. Okay, I think we are okay. Great. Perfect. Thank you, my assistant. Okay, rotate that and lock it. And you can see nice and lovely white water. Don't drink it. Very important. Okay, I have already put some coffee. You can see the marks here, the stains. We've got coffee, filter coffee, yeah. And now for more hard stains, we've got some marmalade. Oh dear. Perfect. Yep. Nice stain with marmalade and coffee. Wow, thumbs up, a great job. It can clean it very well. And we need to put more water and detergent now. And as you can see, we've got some waters out from the dirty container. We need to empty the container. Or you can unlock, of course, and take it out. Oh, so clean water, yeah. Yep, it is dirty. And lock. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to connect the spiral hose, and as you remember, and it locks. And again, we're going to try with some marmalade. Here at the white spot. Yeah, great. And you can see it sprays water. And as you can see, guys, it can clean it very well, the carpet, marmalade and coffee. Even with the spiral hose, it's doing a great job. And of course, it is your choice how you want to use it. If the stains are difficult to clean, well, just use the spiral hose. But definitely overall, it's doing a great job. It can clean all the carpet. It is a great choice. It costs about 200 euros. It depends on the store and the discount you're going to find out. But if you need some kind of cleaner for your carpet, for me, thumbs up, is doing a great job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, it is very important. It is not so hard, just press the subscribe button. And that was all 1 second it takes only. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Like it, like my videos, your choice. And stay until the end of this video. It is another 1 minute. You can see how you can clean the spiral hose. And have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.